Grade 9, Unit 1, Introduction to Biology. Miss Aisha was busy in dissecting and analyzing the heart of frog. Probably she is a histologist. Option C. How many people get lung cancer by smoking? The question can be answered through bioeconomics. Option C. Al-Qanun Tib is the famous book of Bu Alicina. Option A. One of the following contain large number of cells but not a multicellular. Chlamydomonas. According to Five Kingdoms system of classification, mushroom belongs to fungi. Option B. The level of organization which is represented by the heart of frog is organ. Option A. One of the following is not a macromolecule. Option A. Glucose. The number of plants in the desert are scarce. This could be the statement of biogeographist. Option D. Which bioelement makes most of the composition of organism body? Option C. Oxygen. Which of the following cellular organization represents volvox? Option D. Colonial.